Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope that your lockdown is treating you well. I was certainly missing the full glam life, so I decided to put on lots of makeup, throw on some lashes, and come here for you guys and show you my top 5 favorite MAC lipsticks. This was originally intended to be a top 10 MAC lipsticks video, but I think that's going to be pretty overwhelming and I'm going to condense this down to my top 5. So give me some time, I will be right back with my top 5. Alright, some very tough life choices have been made and I have picked my top 5 from my top 10. I want to say all of them are very brown girl friendly, very deep Indian skin tone friendly, except for one, and I'm going to start with that one. That one is Velvet Teddy, and this is what I already have on my lips. Now, I am not one for peachy lipsticks, but this is a peachy nude shade that I personally love on myself. If you are of a deeper skin tone, then this might wash you out. However, you could use this to sort of dull down very bright lipsticks. If you're wearing something very deep, you can just apply this in the center to make the deep dark color look less overwhelming. And yeah, I think it's a pretty versatile shade even to use as a mixer. I use this in my kit a whole lot to lighten the center of the lip to make the lips look more dimensional. I am honestly sick of myself for the amount I use this lipstick. This is Meher and I am obsessed. I have gone through tubes and tubes of these and I am yet to meet a person who does not look good wearing this lipstick. If somebody has dark or pigmented lips, then I suggest that you use a lip liner, line the lips, fill them in and then apply this color. Or you could apply a little bit of foundation to neutralize the darkness. But honestly guys, if you haven't tried this lipstick and if you just want to try one MAC lipstick, then this is it. Meher is a beautiful mauvey toned pink which is just stunning to look at without being too pink. Now, if you think that Meher is too light for you or Meher is too matte for you, then you might want to check out Twig. Twig is a deeper pink shade and this is not a matte finish lipstick like Velvet Teddy and Meher. This is a satin finish, which means that it's not going to be a flat drying matte. It has a little bit of a sheen on it and it is a deeper shade of pink. I know that the difference between Twig and Meher can be confusing, so I want to show you a side-by-side swatch. This one right here is Twig and this is Meher, and you can very clearly see that this has a satiny finish, this is a true matte, and this is obviously the lighter pink. If you are feeling dull or if you're down and out, just pick up the Ruby Woo lipstick by MAC and apply it, and I promise you it will brighten your day. This is the holy grail of red lipstick lovers. Mine is pretty butchered up because I use this in my bridal kit all the time, and I recommend using a lip brush to apply it because you don't want to get the lines wrong and you want to be pretty proper about a red lipstick. Also use a matching lip liner and fill it in. Oh, this color is so beautiful, and if you haven't tried it, please go to a MAC store when the lockdown opens up and try the Ruby Woo lipstick by MAC. The last one I have is specially for my dark lip lovers. This one is Sin and it is a true matte finish. I think this is a beautiful color for those fall winter months, and I bought this in a cute little mini version because I don't use it that often, and I think that the smaller bullet also gives me a lot of precision and control for a dark color like this one. The other good thing about buying a mini is that it costs only 1050 rupees vis-a-vis a full-size MAC lipstick which is about 1700 rupees. You can find a mini in most colors and it's available on Nykaa as well. Alrighty then, that was all from me. Comment down below and tell me your favorite MAC shade, because if there's anything that you guys like that I can go check out, it will be the first thing I will do as soon as the lockdown ends. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.